I think in general, people aren't sleeping, people aren't eating right, people aren't exercising, they don't have the energy to bring to the day, and they're spread too thin because they're focusing on everything that's a thing instead of just the major thing. Mm-hmm. And I suppose you could pick any route to fix your problem. Yeah. You could just hire someone, your personal assistant, or bring in your leadership team and say, I'm offloading 70% of the things I do through the day, dispersed amongst all of you. You won't feel it, but these are not mission critical. You go do it. That could be a way you could free up some time. You could say, I'm not outsourcing anything, but I need to increase my energy. But 1 hour of in the morning between 5:30 and 6:30 is not going to affect my family. It's not going to affect the business. It is worth it to me to push against something. And maybe that's where you start to create some energy. Maybe you take a step with your doc and get your hormones checked. That's a very simple thing you can do.